Hey YouTube, back once again, doing a new exhaust on the truck. It's going to be a Flo-Pro from front to back. Everything's Flo-Pro except the muffler. It's 5-inch, and the muffler is a Aero Turbine. I don't know if you can see right there. So it starts out as 4-inch from the downpipe, and then it turns into 5-inch at the first hanger, and it continues 5-inch all the rest of the way out. Now, as far as this muffler, the advantage of the Aero Turbine muffler over other mufflers is it's not a glass pack. There's nothing inside of it to deteriorate and break down like typical glass pack straight through mufflers. This one just has a steel cage inside, and then it goes to a baffle which redirects some of the flow around the outside of the center cone to create a swirling turbine effect, which actually is supposed to create a suction on the exhaust to help reduce exhaust temps and increase power, so your exhaust isn't trying to push the exhaust out versus this muffler, which is sucking the exhaust out. Other than that, it's also supposed to quiet down the drone sound that you normally get under load, and I get it around 1500 to 1700 RPMs. It's a pretty loud drone inside the vehicle. So this is supposed to get rid of that drone sound. It's also hopefully going to get rid of that howling sound that you've heard in my previous video. I know everybody kind of likes it, but sometimes it gets a little annoying. So this muffler hopefully will get rid of that howling, the drone, and increase performance. And there's the old exhaust. It's still on the truck. I'm about to remove it, and it's actually sold to somebody else. I'm going to be installing it on another vehicle, just like this one. So stay tuned. I will do a running test in a few minutes with the new exhaust on. Alright, here's the two exhausts side by side. So you can see the difference between the 4-inch and the 5-inch. As you can see, the old exhaust didn't have a muffler on it. It was just straight piped all the way through. This section is the DPF delete. And that's just the tailpipe and muffler section. I left the exhaust tip off the new pipe for right now until I get it on the truck, just so it didn't get scratched. So that's it for now, and we'll get the new one on. Okay everybody, the exhaust is on. Here's what it looks like with a 6-inch tip and 5-inch exhaust. And here's the Aero Turbine muffler, which actually works pretty good. It's doing its purpose. It doesn't really quiet down the idle and low end, but it's quieting down the upper end. I still haven't driven it long enough to see if it quiets down the drone, but I will find out about that on the next drive. Alright, and I'm going to fire it up. And there you have it.